Hello and welcome to another video by Global Project Control. On the previous video we discussed how you can assign a baseline to the schedule. Now how you can restore it. If I'm going to split my screen to two sections over here, and I want to over here show you my project and here my activities. Now I want to it's better now. Now I want to go to the project and then go to the maintain baseline. If I try to restore one of these projects, I will face with this error. But what does it mean? It means that this baseline is already set as an active baseline. What do I should to do? It's very easy. You need to go to the assign baseline, and for instance this one I want to restore it. How should I restore this one? I should click over here, deassign this baseline, and now if I go through the maintain baseline, I'm able to restore this one. I'm not able to restore this one. This is because this one is currently assigned to this project as an active one. When you restore the baseline over here, it's going to be presented on your project list. Now I restore it. As you see, it's going to be appear over here on the second line of project. That's it. It's super easy. Hope this lesson was useful for you. Keep in touch for more videos. I hope this lesson was helpful to you. Please keep up to date on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook for more lessons. You can also visit our website www.globalprojectcontrol.com to find all of our lessons and courses at once. Thank you for subscribing to the GPC YouTube channel.